his face. Don't see his face.
I'll put on the call from the Heather.
Why not temporarily out the kids till you find them in the
Fucking
family?
hate me. Alright, they're gonna do
I mean, I
it.
can watch
Fucking
out
hate
for
me.
Destiny.
She's like, oh, yeah,
You
cute.
said yourself you were both his dad.
He's better off with me than in an orphanage.
I don't want to put him in a home any more than you do. Why don't I pretend that you didn't even come in here today, okay? And I'll give you a shout when I line up a family, right? Okay. Just don't make me break this.
Where are we going now?
I gotta make a phone call. Just stay right here, all right?
One day he was like, you have something you want to say?
Hey, baby boy.
One day, what?
Alex, I'm
No, boy, you don't take this
not so
on.
bad.
I can't pick up myself.
Playing tennis yesterday.
One day,
I got
what?
some interesting news.
I'm alright, you're lying.
What? Kind of a dominated kid.
I
Yeah,
am.
when the Bojangles by himself, I thought he had attitude, and I didn't go with him.
The hell
Told me
did
like, what you want? You want something? I'm like, yeah, he already texted to me. Then I was trying to text it to him, but then he texted before me. He like, let me guess, you want? He told me my whole order. I was like,
I
I
tried
told
to
him
get
my whole
back.
order, and only told him once.